Hi, I'm Michael from Asetek. I'm a product test specialist here. And last week you saw us building the ultimate gaming PC for sim racing, and now we finished it. We've made the ultimate custom branded gaming PC that's all liquid cooled by Asetek and hand-picked and custom built by our partner SharkGaming. First off, we have the MSI GeForce RTX 3080 Seahawk that's liquid cooled in a hybrid cooling solution with a fan cooling the rest of the card. Under the hood of the SharkGaming BloodFreezer 360 AIO in the front, we have a AMD Ryzen 9 5900X. To give it the ultimate racing look, we have fitted it with the black and red sleeved custom cables from CableMod. And now that we got every last frame out of the system, we need something to use them with. And for that, we got three 27-inch SharkGaming monitors running at a 1440p resolution and a 144 Hz refresh rate. And this is to give you the ultimate triple screen setup for your sim racing experience. All you gotta do to get a chance to win this Asetek custom branded gaming PC with a total value of $4,500 is to pre-order your set of Invicta pedals. The pre-order price and campaign runs until February 28th.